lookout on the highway. We just pulled in from the A21. Right now we're at Toowoomba station. Redoing or like stretching this part longer, I don't know. Looks like they're like renovating it or something. Oh, what is this? Some kind of pumps, I don't know, what is this? It looks like that's like a maintenance or like an inspection vehicle right there. I don't know what they use it for. It just looks like loads of parts and old vehicles. I just put it in there or something because I can see a lot of parts. I don't know what that thing is. This is some like timber like cars where you put all the timber and freight on. Like the timber. I don't know if you can put steel on these. I never really saw these freight cars in person. I just saw them in like videos. Well, it looks like you only can go 25 k's here if you're just a freight train coming through the station. Every single time I come here, there's freight cars. Like last time, there was two 2,400 classes with some coal cars. So that was pretty cool to see. Right now, there is no locomotives. It's just the timber cars. This weird-looking machine right there. There's probably some use. Maybe it's like a caboose type of thingish. I've seen these at yards in Brisbane, but I never actually saw this looking one. Onto another side of the platform that's not used. What's going on is I don't know what this is used for. It looks like this hasn't been used for quite a while because they teared out the track here. They're doing something here because, like you can see, I just said a couple of minutes ago, they're building something. I think those on the stilts or whatever. Those camper trailers or containers, whatever they are, that are on original train frames, like railroad car frames. So it's pretty cool. It looks like some buggy or a tiny freight wagon. It's a garden bed with a freight wagon thing on it, so I don't know what this is, but looks like they just put a railroad car's buggy onto this little garden bed. That's what it looks like. Well, the tires are popped. looks like that. The front. Oh wait. So I just want to ask you viewers, what does a white light mean? Is that, or am I like colorblind and I'm seeing green? Because is that green? So right here it says white, or maybe it says green. But if it is white, then what does that mean? Because like I just want to know, is that like slow? Normally slow's orange, I think. I don't really know, just want to ask you guys that, because that signal right there, the one that says TA 41 41, it says white on the left side of the light. Well, if that means there's a train coming through, it's probably going to come from underneath the place over there, so I'll come into here. So this is a timetable chart of what so this is the Chivesville line. So I think this, oh no, that's the North Coast line. Where's the Chivesville line? Longreach. I can't really find it, but here's all the timetables for the passenger trains. Oh, it's the Chivesville line. Where's, so that's, where's toowoomba? Oh, toowoomba. Alright. Toowoomba. 11 PM, alright. There's one of the front yards. We'll just pull out and see.